Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit. I want to talk to you guys about the C63. You guys never see it on the channel. Y'all barely see it. Y'all know it's my second car. So I want to give an update video on what we're going to do with the C63, or if we're even going to do anything. But before I tap in with you guys, please guys, I'm asking you, hit the like button if you're part of the boostinmotion family. I would really appreciate you guys. And if you're new to this channel, you never saw any of my content, hopefully this video is cool enough that you actually want to subscribe. But watch a couple of other videos, and if you like those videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. Anyways, guys, let's jump into it. So, what's going on with the C63? At this current moment, just to give you a quick update, the car is going to be a JB4 C63. I will not be tuning this car at all. Reason being is, the JB4 is working properly. For anyone who wanted to know what was the issues from it in the past, I came out with an updated video talking about it was mainly my own installation error, which was causing that issue. Now, moving forward, right? Okay, so the JB4 is cool, but why not get a tune? Well, we'll see in a future video, but I really want to get this car on a dyno and see what power it's making with the JB4 boost controller. If it's making similar power to a full-fledged tune, you guys with Mercedes C63s are getting robbed, because y'all paying $1,600, $2,000, $3,000 for tunes when a $700 boost controller could give you the same power or maybe more. But we will see. Now, moving forward, what other modifications am I looking to do? Well, I'm not gonna do full downpipes because I don't like catless systems on this car. And what I realized is with these cars, right, even when you're tuned, you'll still get an oxygen sensor code after tune, because what they have to do with the software is they have to turn off that monitoring system, which means you'll never pass inspection depending on what state you live in, because that's gonna be a freaking issue. You're not gonna like that. So that's another reason why I'm not getting tuned. What are some of the other things I want to give you guys an update on? I'm not going to do any CATBACK exhaust systems because AMG sounds freaking great. If you guys don't already freaking know, let me see if I can just briefly show you, let you guys hear it. Car sounds freaking amazing. Even the kids like it. So the exhaust system, perfectly fine. I'm okay with that. Next, I have VRP intakes. I believe intakes are necessary for this car when you want to go with higher amount of boost, because the stock intake system is very restrictive. It always is a hit and miss with depending on the OEM systems for different cars, but on this car, on this system, you definitely need an aftermarket intake system, period. Anyways, let's continue. So, boost, and I know you're into wheels and tires. Are you lowering the car? Nope. This car is 3.5 inches off the ground from the front end with the front lip. And give me a second. Give me a second. I just want to get in front of these people, but they don't want to get anywhere. Ooh, love how this costs. All right, sorry guys. Oh, that was another noise. But anyways, to continue now. Sorry about that, guys, for the distraction. The next thing is, all right, you're not gonna lower the car. Reason being is this car is already built lower. This car is lower than my lowered Q60. That gives you guys kind of a reference on how low this car is. So I'm not lowering this car. It has good suspension, comfort, period. Good to go. Well, what about wheels, Boost? We know you on stock 18s. Are you gonna go with a different set of wheels? No, I'm not doing that either. OEM, put 275, right now my tire size is 245, 40 in the front and 275, 35 in the rear. I'm okay with that. I'm not gonna go change up my wheel and tire setup because not a lot of offsets fit this car. For you to fit 285s, 305s in the rear, you need like a 9.5 inch wide wheel to 10 inch wheel on like a 45 offset, 55 offset to put something nice and wide back there. And there's not a lot of wheels that I've seen personally that fit this setup. So I just want to put that out there too, just for some of the guys who are just wondering. Now, knowing that I'm not doing none of that, well, some carbon fiber bits. The car already came with carbon fiber caps, a rear trunk lid. I put the front lip on. I mean, I could put a different diffuser, but the AMG diffuser is perfectly fine. I'm not changing up much on this car. This car is OEM plus to me. And that's where I'm keeping it. And some of you guys may not like it. Like, I want Boost to do crazy amount of modifications. No, I'm not. I'm not doing it. And here's the reason why. I want to come clear. At the end of the day, I really do like this car. And I do like my Q60. I actually love both of them a lot. And they both are used for two different things. One's a hammer for nails and one's a screwdriver for screws. And that's honestly how I can actually explain to both of them. They're used for two different uses, honestly, to keep it honest with you guys. But moving forward from it, I don't want to dig too deep into modifying this car because it can make a hell of a lot of power on upgraded turbos. But even with the boost controller, traction is a freaking issue. And even in one of my recent videos, the car was in like map 1 and I was breaking traction like 50 miles an hour. I mean 45, 50 miles an hour. I don't like that. I'm so used to the all-wheel drive life where I don't have to deal with that. So I could just imagine this car on 657, 800 wheel. Like, you'll learn to get used to it, but I just don't want to deal with that. I just honestly don't want to deal with it. Two, honestly, another reason is, another reason why I'm not going to keep the car is, even though I really do love this car, I do want a bit more room. Now, this interior is really good. It's nice and roomy, but I've been in the E series, E63s, and it's definitely a lot more luxurious and bigger, and it just feels better to be in that car, honestly. So it's kind of like, maybe I'm outgrowing the entry-level sedans now, and maybe I want to go into a bigger body sedan. And the E63 definitely sparked what I want, because honestly, this car has a great amount of pluses, but the E63 just does it better. Legit, just does it better. The only part that I don't like about the E63 is the fact that it's about 400 or 500 pounds heavier, because it's a bigger body and everything like that. So that's honestly the only downfall on it. Now, this car is just, man, I'm sorry. I forgot what I was saying. Anyways, let me start to bring it to a close. I feel like I've been talking too long. What I'm gonna end up by saying is this, right? I only got this car. Okay, slow down, bro. I only got this car because I've always wanted a twin turbo V8 car, and when I was looking for the GTR, I chose this car over the GTR. Most of you guys are probably like, Boost, you're freaking crazy. You chose this over GTR? Yes, because when you drive this car, if you were gonna drive a GTR and you drove this car, you would know what I'm talking about if you were coming from a Q50, Q60. This is the next level. The GTR is a dope car. I love how it drives, but I hate how it drives. It's way more of an analog car, even though electronics save your life. It's a way more analog car. It makes a lot of noises, a lot of bumps. Sounds like a race car. All the clutches and all that stuff, the transmission making the noises it makes. It's cool to y'all guys. Y'all think it's cool, but after a while, it's the same one-trick pony. And some of you guys daily drive those cars. No disrespect to my GTR homeboys, but like, after a while, it's like, You know, when you get in a regular car, you actually appreciate a car that's quiet and comfortable. Maybe I'm just getting older. But anyways, to finish off this, can I get this next lane, please? Jesus. Oof. Ooh. What I want to add is this, sorry. But am I going to make exciting videos with the C63? And what I would finish off by saying is this. You guys want it. And I asked you guys, and y'all said, listen, Boost, you want to see a couple more race videos. You guys know I'm in my mid-30s, so I'm not trying to do anything crazy. I don't want to lose my license, because if I lose my license, I lose my career, and I lose money, I lose everything. So you guys have been asking about the specific videos so we want to see the car line up. We want to see the power. I want to do everything right and just take my time and get the power level first, see where I'm at, and then race who I could actually race. That's actually within that power grab. So hopefully I can line it up with cars that maybe are definitely faster than it's a C63. So at least with this car, people who have faster cars will be like, okay, I'll race it as a C63, because no one likes losing to the Infinitis. People hate losing to infinities. They freaking hate it. But if they lose to an AMG C63, they don't feel as bad, you know? So I'll try to get this car a couple of races, make a couple of videos with it, and I think it would actually do really good for the channel, and people will really consider actually really like checking it out. Oh, let's do a quick pull. Let's do a quick pull from second. Fuck! This car is a fucking rocket. Jesus. You guys don't understand. When the traction control kicks in, I'm on an upper map now that I've been data logging and learning about. When the traction control kicks in, it pulls back the power, and then the car just sits, squats, and then starts launching again, and then the traction control kicks back on. It's actually, whew, but I love it. Oh my God. Whew. This car. Anyways, let me finish the video. I feel like I haven't really been talking too much. I've been enjoying the car way more. Also, let me know about how the view comes from on the camera. I'm trying out the 360 camera this time again. I want to make sure that I'm recording it right, because last time I recorded in portrait mode rather than landscape mode, and it didn't turn out too well. Then I had to like, it kind of affected the quality of the video, and you guys didn't really enjoy that much. But this time it should be a lot better, and it probably came out a lot better. So outside of that, guys, you know what to do. Contact me at boostinmotion on IG, Facebook, and boostinmotion@gmail.com. Hit the like button all the time. Please hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, watch a couple other videos. If you enjoy this videos, definitely tap out with me. I appreciate you guys so much. You have a good day. Appreciate it. Thank you everybody for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some Boost in Motion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.